Imagine the Earth, 4 billion years ago, a swirling chaos of chemicals, a primordial soup simmering under the young sun. Then something incredible happens. Life emerges. But how? How did simple molecules organize themselves into the first living cells, the ancestors of every plant and animal on Earth today? Evolution, we're taught, is driven by natural selection, the survival of the fittest. But what if there's a deeper principle at play, a hidden engine driving the rise of complexity? Enter assembly theory, a revolutionary idea that's changing how we understand life's journey. It proposes that complexity can be measured by the minimum number of steps required to build something from scratch. Think of it like a cosmic recipe. The more steps involved, the more complex the final dish. Take a simple molecule like water. It's formed by just 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Now picture a complex protein, a chain of thousands of atoms, precisely folded into a 3-dimensional structure that dictates its function in a living cell. The difference in complexity is immense, and assembly theory gives us a way to quantify that difference. A simple molecule, like water, has a low assembly index. But a complex organism, like a human being with trillions of cells, each containing a vast network of interacting proteins and molecules, has a sky-high index, reflecting the billions of years of evolutionary assembly that went into its creation. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Assembly theory suggests that highly complex molecules are unlikely to arise by chance. They're more likely to be the fingerprints of life itself. Imagine scientists analyzing the atmosphere of a distant planet and finding a molecule with an incredibly high assembly index. It would be a eureka moment, a sign that we've found life beyond Earth. Assembly theory isn't just about finding aliens, it's about understanding the very fabric of the universe. It's a new lens through which to view the evolution of everything, from the first stars to the human brain. It's a reminder that we are all connected, part of a grand cosmic assembly, a story written in the language of complexity. And who knows what incredible chapters are yet to be written? The possibilities are truly endless. Assembly theory is not just a scientific theory, it's a roadmap to the future, a key to unlocking the secrets of complexity and harnessing its power for the benefit of humankind. What do you think about assembly theory? Does it change how you view life and evolution? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mind-expanding journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of science and the cosmos.